The glitz and glamour of Hollywood often overshadow the savvy business acumen of some of its brightest stars. While many celebrities are known for their talents on screen or stage, a growing number are making significant strides in the world of real estate. These stars are not just buying lavish homes for themselves, but are also investing in properties with an eye for profitable returns. Let's delve into how some of your favorite celebrities have become real estate moguls. Ellen DeGeneres and Portia de Rossi. Ellen DeGeneres and her wife, Portia de Rossi, are renowned for their impressive real estate portfolio. Over the years, the couple has bought, renovated, and sold numerous luxury properties, making significant profits in the process. Their strategy involves purchasing high-end homes, transforming them with tasteful renovations, and then selling them at a premium. Ellen's keen eye for design and Portia's business acumen have turned their real estate ventures into a lucrative side business. One of their most notable transactions was the sale of a Beverly Hills mansion to Ryan Seacrest for $37 million, a testament to their ability to flip properties for massive gains. Additionally, their portfolio includes homes in Santa Barbara, Montecito, and Hidden Valley, all reflecting their distinct style and design preferences. Leonardo DiCaprio. Leonardo DiCaprio, famous for his roles in blockbuster movies, is also a shrewd real estate investor. DiCaprio's portfolio includes a variety of properties, from luxury homes in Los Angeles to eco-friendly resorts in Belize. His investments are often characterized by their environmental sustainability, reflecting his commitment to eco-friendly practices. DiCaprio's approach combines his passion for the environment with smart financial investments, ensuring his properties not only provide a return, but also contribute positively to the planet. He owns several eco-conscious residences, including a carbon-neutral island in Belize called Blacador Cay, which he plans to develop into an eco-resort. DiCaprio also owns properties in New York City and Malibu, showcasing his preference for prime real estate in high-demand locations. Oprah Winfrey. Media mogul Oprah Winfrey has amassed a substantial real estate portfolio over the years. Known for her exquisite taste and penchant for luxury, Oprah owns multiple properties across the United States. Her holdings include a sprawling estate in Montecito, California, a ranch in Colorado, and a stunning waterfront property in Hawaii. Oprah's investments are marked by their prime locations and significant appreciation in value, showcasing her impeccable timing and market understanding. Her Montecito estate, known as the Promised Land, spans over 70 acres and is valued at approximately $90 million. In addition to her residential properties, Oprah has invested in commercial real estate, including a large share in the Oprah Winfrey Network headquarters. George Clooney. George Clooney, along with his wife Amal, has made several high-profile real estate investments. The couple owns properties around the globe, including a historic villa in Lake Como, Italy, and a mansion in Berkshire, England. Clooney's investments often reflect his lifestyle, choosing properties that offer privacy, luxury, and significant potential for appreciation. His international holdings also indicate a diversified portfolio, reducing risk and maximizing returns. Clooney's Lake Como villa, for example, has become an iconic property, often featured in various media outlets and valued at over $100 million. The Clooneys also own a vacation home in Los Cabos, Mexico, adding to their impressive array of luxury real estate. Kim Kardashian. Kim Kardashian's foray into real estate is an extension of her business empire. Known for her lavish lifestyle, Kim has invested in several high-value properties. Her approach to real estate often involves significant renovations, turning already luxurious homes into bespoke living spaces that fetch a high market price. Kardashian's investments are a blend of personal use and business strategy, often showcased on her social media platforms, which further boosts their market value. She recently purchased a Malibu mansion for $70 million, which she plans to renovate and potentially flip for a profit. Kardashian's real estate ventures also include commercial properties, such as spaces for her Skims brand and other business endeavors. Robert De Niro. Robert De Niro is not just an iconic actor, but also a savvy real estate investor. His portfolio includes several luxury hotels and restaurants, particularly in New York City. De Niro co-founded the Nobu restaurant and hotel chain, which has become a global brand. His investments are a mix of residential and commercial properties, often focusing on high-end, high-return ventures. De Niro's involvement in the hospitality industry showcases his ability to diversify his investments beyond traditional real estate. He also owns a stake in the Greenwich Hotel, a luxury establishment in Tribeca that has become a favorite among celebrities. De Niro's real estate interests extend to international markets, including properties in London and Paris. Ashton Kutcher. Ashton Kutcher is another celebrity who has made a name for himself in the real estate market. Alongside his acting career, Kutcher has invested in various tech startups and real estate projects. He co-founded a venture capital firm that invests in technology-driven real estate solutions, merging his interests in tech and property. Kutcher's investments often focus on innovative living solutions and properties that cater to the tech-savvy generation. His portfolio includes smart homes and properties designed with cutting-edge technology, reflecting his vision for the future of living spaces. Kutcher's real estate ventures are also tied to his interest in sustainable living, with investments in eco-friendly developments and green building technologies. Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba, the actress turned entrepreneur, has also ventured into the real estate market. Known for her eco-friendly and sustainable lifestyle, Alba's real estate investments reflect her values. She owns several properties in Los Angeles, including a luxurious, environmentally friendly home in Beverly Hills. Alba's investments often focus on properties that offer a healthy living environment, integrating green technologies and sustainable materials. Her attention to detail and commitment to sustainability make her real estate ventures stand out in the market. Alba's portfolio includes investment properties that align with her brand, The Honest Company, emphasizing clean living and wellness. Tom Brady and Gisele Bündchen. The power couple Tom Brady and Gisele Bündchen have built an impressive real estate portfolio over the years. They have owned several high-end properties, including a custom-built mansion in Brentwood, California, which they sold to Dr. Dre for $40 million. Their investments are characterized by luxury and exclusivity, often choosing properties that provide privacy and security. The couple also owns a stunning condominium in New York City's Tribeca neighborhood and a luxury estate in Indian Creek Island, Florida, known as the Billionaire Bunker. Brady and Bündchen's real estate ventures also include properties in Montana and Costa Rica, highlighting their preference for exclusive and secluded locations. Reese Witherspoon. Reese Witherspoon, the Oscar-winning actress and producer, has also made significant real estate investments. Witherspoon's portfolio includes properties in Los Angeles, Nashville, and the Bahamas. She is known for her southern charm and taste, often choosing properties that reflect her personal style. Witherspoon's investments extend to commercial real estate, including production offices for her media company, Hello Sunshine. Her real estate strategy involves acquiring properties in desirable locations and adding value through thoughtful renovations and design enhancements. Ryan Seacrest. Ryan Seacrest, the television host and producer, has an extensive real estate portfolio that includes homes in Los Angeles, New York City, and Napa Valley. Seacrest's investments are characterized by luxury and modern amenities, often choosing properties that offer high-end living experiences. His portfolio includes a Beverly Hills mansion, purchased from Ellen DeGeneres and Portia de Rossi, showcasing his eye for premium properties. Seacrest's real estate ventures also involve commercial investments, including office spaces for his production company, Ryan Seacrest Productions. That's all for today's video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Let us know in the comments which celebrities' real estate investments surprised you the most, or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover next.